Okay, this is on the corner of National Highway and the entrance to Baloy. And something great is coming. Yes, guys, it's McDonald's. It's gonna be a 24-hour establishment with a drive-through. It's gonna be good. A lot of people are gonna be happy. And why not? Nothing wrong with McDonald's. Okay, we are now approaching the Baloy Beach Resort Gate. Blue Rock Resort. Resort on the beach. And how are you today?
Good.
Good. That's too early, right?
No sunshine.
Yeah. Baloy Beach. Oh, what kind of rocks these are? Probably cut your feet if you try to walk on it without slippers. Shower shoes. Okay, I'm right here by Blue Rock. Kind of rainy day here in Baloy. Very, very clean here, huh? Look at this. This is nice. Of course, it's Baloy. It's different than Loreto. Okay, I'm here at Baloy. The rain has stopped, that's good. It's kind of dark right now. I'm at the far end of Baloy Beach here. It's all nice and clean. Ready for the weekend. Kind of rainy day. Yeah, the beach. Okay, Baloy. Okay, this is Baloy. It's at the far end down here. At the unpaved section. Raining. Okay, I guess I'm gonna move on. I see this dog over there. He's paying attention to me. He's looking at me like, what the heck you doing? You got to be crazy. You're standing in the rain. Your umbrella's in your pocket. Yeah, well, he's not going to get out from underneath that shade cover. Okay, far end of Baloy Beach here. Got a bunch of cottages for rent. Little resorts. That's where the local people and people from Manila come. A lot cheaper. You can get a cottage for 1,000, 1,500, 8 to 10 people, something like that. Not a good day to be out, but I'm out. Forgot your umbrella. Hello. How are you? Oh, forgot your shoes. Take care. I was only joking her. She's only going to the Sari store. Actually, good little Sari store. Good business here in Baloy. Yeah, really nice business. Hello. Oh, gonna cook. Okay, house and lot for sale. Looks like a nice place. And this is in Baloy. Now we're at... That's a nice place there. And they all got Wi-Fi available to install. You know, cable. We say Wi-Fi here. Alright. Not a whole lot going down here in Barreto and Baloy, I mean. Yeah, this is the non-paved section of Baloy. Well, it's paved. Just got so much sand on. I was wrong. I see now it's paved. Just not clean. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. $15,000 a month. That's right here in Baloy. I'm not sure if it's these apartments or not. Could be a different location. Okay, red doors. Lagoon Resort. Looks like standard rooms $800 a night. Superior $1,000. And looks like a family room is about $1,500. Not bad. Okay, this is Baloy. Not too impressive during the daytime, but much less at night. I'm sure it's pretty dark. It's just a beach resort. You know, nothing's on the road. Got to go in. I'm not stopping by no resorts. I'm in a hurry today. So, just thought I'd show you the road. Actually, this was a special request by email for one of my subscribers working in Saudi Arabia. Always happy to do special requests if possible. Sometimes I'm not fast to do them, but I try. Okay, big shout out to all the overseas Filipino workers from Barrio Barreto, Baloy, Olongapo, Subic. I know you guys miss this place. I get emails from you. And I do read your comments, and I try my best to answer them. Yeah, big shout out to all you guys. And ladies. I know it's hard to be an OFW. That's overseas Filipino worker. But it is what it is. I was passing by this house for rent here in Baloy. Tell you what, I like it. Looks like it's got 3 stories. You have a party up on the roof there. There's a phone number. Remember, if you call from another country, country code 63. I like it, but I can't afford it. Yeah, nice. Okay, right here by Lucky Mike's Mini Mart.